Hi everyone, this is Alex saying hello from Workato's product marketing team. Our product and engineering teams have continued to produce improvements for the Workato platform that can help you connect, automate, and scale your business in 2021. For the month of February, we'll review some key updates that improve recipe building, workplace administration, and much more. Changes to actions in recipes used to be limited to individual recipe steps, one by one. The latest update now supports cloning, reordering, skipping, data masking, and removing recipe steps for an entire group of steps. You can now simply drag your cursor to select any group of steps and then easily access the menu of actions to skip, clone, mask data, or delete with a simple right click. When you are making selections or customizing permissions for a role, the experience should be quick and easy. Now, permissions are organized into helpful categories of recipe development, platform tools, and admin privileges, and subdivided further into more categories for easy updates. When removing permissions and dependencies, all related permissions will automatically be selected or deselected as a result. No need to remember which permissions are dependent on others. If you were looking to use support ticket data from HubSpot and other applications, your options used to be limited. Now, any support or customer success ticket that is created or updated in HubSpot can kick off an automation. Additionally, you can now fire up the time machine to automate any records from any point in the past. This includes deals, contacts, support tickets, and more. Getting work done with bot-driven workflows and Workplace from Facebook is on the rise. So it's important to ensure the person approving an expense or a hire or a deal request is authorized to do so. Now, with verified user access, users will be prompted to authenticate with their own credentials in other applications when taking actions through Workplace, such as approvals, assignments, escalations, or others. Behind the scene, Workbot will only let authorized users complete the action and prevent unauthorized changes. Lookup tables are great for persisting data that can be used across multiple recipes, but accessing all the entries in a lookup table is not possible. The new action for Lookup Table enables you to get all the entries up to a max of 10,000. Now you can not only search across the data, but also run aggregations, merge that data with other sources for enrichment, and much more. ServiceNow triggers required you to fetch data first and then apply trigger filters in Workato to limit the events that are required by the actions in the recipe. But now, the trigger includes query language support for precise control over exactly what records and fields are needed. For example, you can enter a query to retrieve incidents that were once resolved and are now open to monitor for critical issues. Simply set your parameters at the trigger and you are ready to go. That wraps it up for this month's updates. Check out our other content at product.workato.com for all the latest details on other exciting developments for the Workato platform.